Hi there, my name is Mantesh Singh Samra and welcome to the term project of Python. This is the last assignment we have been given, but although it was a group assignment, only I am doing it individually. So let's start. So first of all, uh, I I selected the online store project ideas because mm, this was the one which was like similar to the assignment one, and I was comfortable with this one, so I chose this. So in this tour, we were supposed to make a different databases, like as per the all the requirements, we were to make a different databases, and we gotta populate it, and after that, we were supposed to um, make a menu, and after that we gotta display products, and then we gotta run, and we gotta add them to the cart, and after that we gotta check out, and after that we will exit. So this is all the project descriptions, and this is all the requirements. So um, I did not did the GUI platform, which was optional, but except from the 10th and the bonus requirement, I was able to complete all of them, and I will show you in my Python notebook that I was successful to complete this all. So let's get right into the code now. So as you can see, this is my project dot IPython notebook, and I had created a different database file as well. So first of all, this is my name and this is my student ID. And after that, let's get right into the code. So import SQL Lite 3, which is a database platform. And after that, I made a class, and the name of the class is product. And this time I have um, commented every part of the code, like which operation does it do. So unlike last assignment where I have to do it all again, I have to speak it. So let's get so last product, like sorry, here was the requirement that we should follow an object-oriented approach, and I tried doing it. So we made a class. So after that, I made a def init, which is a constructor, and I made self all of these methods. So self dot id, so it will give a unique ID to the products and the name, price, category. Then after that, this display info self will whatever will be the product, it will the information will be displayed here. So using the f strings, I have made the strings and printed all the name, ID, category, and at last there is a line which will differentiate all of the menu. So after that, I established SQLite databases using this um, con.cursor. So it's a cursor object C using con con connector. So after that, it will execute it will create products table if it doesn't exist. So this string will display if it's not existed. So for example, this is the sample data I have made. So one ID, one name, price, and category. So this is a laptop of 999.99. That's a very nice price for a laptop, and t-shirt and a book. So so this strip of code is gonna insert this product data into the database, and from that we're gonna fetch this data. So After that, we close the connections, and this part make sure that the function to load data from the database is done. So def load product data, another variable I made, and it connects with the products.db, which is the database I made here. And after that, it will execute and row.c.fetch all of these variables. Make sure that the product we are fetching from the database gets displayed, and this is a SQL um, query which makes sure that we fetch it. Select the select statement. So this will display all the product information along with the strings and what's the price and everything. So, and after that, this strip of code makes sure that the items are added to the cart. And like as I said, like display products which we had done here first, and after that product ID, another variable. So it will this string will appear when we add something, or if we want to add more. Otherwise, whatever you put like lowercase or uppercase, it will the done it will be execute, it will break it. And after that, let's go ahead, like it's the same thing, like we will append it to the last of the output, and again have strings here, and whatever is it is added to the cart, and this function will make sure like it is displayed like whatever the quantity it is, and this will display the receipt. And this is the main function here, the variable, the cart, which is an empty list. So this is the display, this is the menu part. And one thing I wanna show here, like in this, it was a requirement that if the quantity is 10 and above 10, we will receive a discount. So what is happening with me is when the quantities goes above 12, it gives the discount and it takes the taxes as well. But it doesn't add the 13% taxes when we buy the products less than the quantity of 10. So I tried fixing it, but it didn't. But I was getting some errors, so I apologize for that. I'm so sorry. But except for that, the uh, whole code is good, and let's just run it and see it ourselves. So as you can see, this is the menu, display products, add cart, view cart, checkout, and exit. So let's start with the first one. So these are all the these are all the products. So, and after that we wanna add them to my cart. So ID. So let's buy laptop. Here it asks for the quantity. I'll say or like one quantity. We'll get one laptop, and let's get two books. And yeah, so now the shopping is done for today at least. So I'll write done, and it will add the items to the cart. And as if I press 3, we can see what are the contents in my cart. So there is a laptop and two books. It has added the price for the books like 12.50, 12.50. It's 25. So after that, we're gonna go to the checkout. So as you can see, here is our lovely receipt. Like one laptop, 999.99, and two books, and a total of $1,024.99. So, as I said earlier, like I couldn't add taxes if the quantity is less than 10, and I'm so sorry for that. But except for the taxes part, the code is good, and the first option was obviously exit if you don't wanna buy. And so this was all of it. I hope you like it, and I'm again so sorry like the part I missed like for the taxes, but except for that, I am I am confident like that I'm able to fulfill all of the project requirements. Thank you. Have a nice day.